At Pazan Gallery, we're dedicated to preserving cherished artworks through expert craftsmanship. This 19th century Italian tapestry perfectly embodies our commitment to help you discover artistry at its finest. This family heirloom, measuring nearly 4 feet by 5 feet, arrived with a rich history. We meticulously restored it, addressing age-related challenges and even signs of a curious critter's nibbling. Our process involves hand stitching onto acid-free matting, mounting on gator board, and encasing in a stunning Omega molding gold leaf frame with TrueView anti-glare glass. We even incorporated the Italian newspaper from its journey as a special touch. This project highlights how artworks can become bespoke furniture pieces, holding memories and history. The precision required from restoration to cutting within 1/16ths of an inch tolerances demands years of experiences and unwavering attention to detail. Our clients' delight and 5-star review remind us why we are passionate about transforming treasured art into lasting masterpieces. At Pazan Gallery, we don't just frame, we preserve legacies. Visit us at pazangallery.com or come see us in person at 6A Brant Avenue in Port Credit, Mississauga, Ontario. Experience firsthand how we can elevate your cherished artworks. Remember, at Pazan Gallery, you'll truly discover artistry at its finest.